Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for your crocheting. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet socks. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all new video notifications. Crochet, a craft that involves using a hooked needle to create fabric from yarn, offers a variety of benefits. Here are some reasons why crocheting can be great for you. The first and the main one is stress relief. Crocheting can be meditative and calming, helping to reduce stress and anxiety by focusing your mind on the repetitive motion. Improved mental health. The focus required to crochet can act as distraction from negative thoughts, offering mental clarity and promoting emotional well-being. Enhanced creativity. Crochet allows you to express your creativity through various designs, patterns, and colors combinations. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a crochet project, whether big or small, giving you a sense of achievement and satisfaction. Improved dexterity. The repetitive motion of crocheting can improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Increased focus and concentrations. Crochet requires concentrations which helps strengthen your attention span and focus. Boost self-esteem. Creating something with your hands can boost self-confidence as you take pride in social interaction. Crocheting can be a social activity, whether you are joining a group or sharing your creation with friends and family. Portable. Crochet is a mobile craft. You can take your project with you and work on it in almost any setting at home, on a trip, or during breaks. Therapeutic. Crochet is often used as therapeutic tool in physical therapy to help recover fine motor skills after injuries or surgeries. Enhances patience. The process of creating something beautiful takes time, which can be helped develop patience as you work through each step. Memory improvement. Following crochet patterns and remembering techniques can enhance your short-term memory. Better sleep. Since it can be relaxing, crochet can help you wind down before bed and improve your quality of sleep. Physical health benefits. Crocheting can be a gentle form of exercise for the hands, wrists, and arms, potentially improve joint flexibility over time. Improve problem-solving skills. Crocheting often involves troubleshooting and figuring out patterns or fixing mistakes, which can improve problem-solving abilities. Provides a productive hobby. Crocheting allows you to create useful items from blankets or clothing to home decor and gift. Sustainable crafting. Crochet can be sustainable hobby, especially when you repurpose old yarn or fabric to create new item, promoting a zero waste mindset. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. You can customize your crochet projects to suit your own personal style or needs, whether it's clothing, home decor or gifts. With a happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our videos. Thank you for watching.